Good morning, guys. It's day 3 here in Hillside, Siargao, and the weather is so beautiful. I will tour you because the weather is so nice, and then yeah, I'll show you around. So this is the outside. There's a bird. So this is your view in the morning. Yeah, it's like a big land. And this is the hallway. It's so beautiful here. I'm just touring you around. So at the back, all trees, coconut. I think that's mahogany. And this is your stairs. So nice. And the pool. It's so beautiful. It's so cool. We have a beautiful pool here. And then we can go down here, take pictures. Let's use this. Yeah. And chill here. Look at that. So nice. And then here as well. Oh, this one is like, it's good to photography here. Nice area for pictures. And a big tree as well. And just don't jump here. It will be muddy. Yeah, beautiful. And I don't, oh, okay. Oh, there's spider. Okay, and they have a restaurant. I'll show you the restaurant. It's nice. Oh, that's the restaurant. It's beautiful. Shower and toilet. Okay, I'm gonna show you the shower and toilet. It says here. I like this. Look at my feet. So they have a shower here. And then, oh my god. I've never been here in this area. This is their toilet. So you have a mirror. You can take a selfie here. Like that. I'm just kidding. And then this is your toilet. You can wash your hands here. Oh, they look beautiful. See me, I like it. And then this one, can you try? Oh, there's no light, but it's okay. We're using this in the morning, so we don't need light here. Oh, there's a light, and then yeah, it's automatic. And this is your shower. Oh, you can turn on the light as well. Diba? But I'm not going to open the shower water. That's nice. Ouch. And the restaurant. It's beautiful.
50 lang kada ba?
That's the restaurant. They have customers, so still. It's beautiful. It's your view. Okay, I'm done with the tour. But tomorrow I will tour you my room. It's kind of big. I mean, it's not big. It's okay for me. I'm alone, so. So yeah, I'll tour you around the Siargao. I'm trying to rent a motorbike. We'll see if I can survive. Peace.